If you're wondering how you can use Daily Board on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Now from here you will find the option of Daily Board. Now to enable Daily Board, just enable this toggle. And after you do that, now to customize Daily Board, just tap on Daily Board one more time and you will open its settings. Now from here you can select what you want to show in the Daily Board section. For example, you have the option of time, weather and calendar, and you can customize them even more if you tap on them. Now from here you can select a clock style. For an example, I will select this option. And after you select your clock option, just scroll down and you will find the option to show your daily schedule. Now if you enable this toggle, you will see your daily schedule in your daily board. Now after that, you have the option of memos, and you have the option of smart things. You can enable or disable slideshow from here, and also you can enable music if you want to. And after that, just select how you want to enable Daily Board. As you can see, by default it is on charge battery or tap icon. Now on this option, you will be able to enable Daily Board when you plug your tablet into charge, or you can tap an icon on the home screen or on the app drawer to enable Daily Board. But also you have the option of same as screensaver. Now if you select screensaver, Daily Board will automatically be shown when your tablet is charging and when the screen automatically turns off. Now I will select charge battery or tap icon. And finally, you can set a schedule for Daily Board. As you can see, if you enable this toggle, you can set a schedule when you want to enable or disable Daily Board. Just like that. But for now, I will disable this toggle. Now, to enable Daily Board, let's plug our tablet into charge. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, the option of Daily Board has appeared. Now just tap on it, and as you can see, we have enabled Daily Board on our tablet. And this is how you can use Daily Board on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.